I'm Keely Kelleher. I'm a Technica Blizzard freeride athlete, and I'm here to talk to you about the Sheeva. The Sheeva is such a beautiful ski one. My favorite color is blue. And I'm just really psyched on this ski because the number one thing I enjoy about the Sheeva is when you go from terrain that's kind of bumpy into groomer, it handles everything really well. I really love it in powder. It's quick, it's really lightweight, which is something that they changed with the women's line for Blizzard. It's really a charging ski, but it doesn't feel heavy or bulky. It's very friendly and fun, and you should check out the Sheeva. It's a great ski.